I've been making matcha every day and I think it's just so easy to make and it tastes really good. So I love making it this day. I used to make matcha latte with whole milk, but now I found my new favorite oat milk and I feel like I like oat milk even more. I know everyone has their own favorite milk for the matcha latte, but yeah, I'm curious to know like what is your favorite milk for the matcha latte. While watching this video, you can grab your matcha, coffee or any drinks as you prefer, and let's just get right into the video. Today we are going to do what's in my bag summer edition. I haven't done what's in my bag for a while and I miss it. I love making this video and I know you guys love it as well. So today we are going to talk about it, my current favorite summer bag. Speaking of my favorite summer bag, I think of this Rabeanco Sersha bag, and shout out to Rabeanco for sending me this gorgeous bag. I love it, absolutely amazing. It's a perfect good looking bag, very beautiful, versatile and functional bag, perfect for any occasions in my opinion. It can be either formal or casual with this bag, which I love. And let's just appreciate the details of this bag, the front details and the bag and even on the bottom, and not to mention the size is great for everyday essentials, very versatile. And what I mean by that is that it comes with the longer strap, which is really amazing. Really good quality and worth the price, and I am excited to add this on my wardrobe. If you guys are interested in this Sersha bag, I will put a link in down below so you guys can check them out. Don't forget to subscribe the official website to enjoy your 15% off for your first order. And yeah, I think that is a very good deal and it's a good time to enjoy and exploring your new favorite bag. Now let's talk about what's in my bag summer edition. I found out every season I carry different essentials. I feel like your favorite at the moment change and your essentials change as well, because first, as I said, I haven't done it in a long time, and second, I just want to update what is in my bag and what is my current favorite. So yeah, I think it's such a good time to do it right now. One thing about this bag that I love is gotta be the closure. It's just perfect and very detailed. I love it. You can definitely leave it like this, or if you want to tighten your bag, you can definitely close it and it's giving more of security. And I personally love both ways, but if I want to go a little bit more casual, I will definitely leave it open. I like how it has magnetic closure inside just for more security. I think it's really good designed. I love it. And these are what I'm carrying these days. I have a bunch of my essentials. I am a girl who has a lot of stuff and I prefer more than less. So I have my 14 Pro Max, my Sunny and the case. This is from Lee Specs. I love it. It's very affordable and very good quality. So I don't know why, but I only wear this type of glasses. This kind of shape is my favorite. I feel like my face is rounded and this is the perfect fit for my rounded face. But yeah, I'm excited to try the different kind of style though, because I always ended up at this kind of style. But yeah, my Sunny, my wallet. This is my all-time favorite wallet. This is a YSL envelope wallet. Sometimes I change to card holder and it just really depends, but this is my main wallet. And this bag is spacious enough to carry this wallet, so I have no worry about it. And then I have my earphone. I don't really use this all the time these days. It's not like I go to school or anything. I don't use it. I have it just in case when I need it. But yeah, I have my car key. my sunscreen, and this is what I added on my summer collection because it's summer and it's hotter and we need sunscreen to protect our skin. It's my bad habit to not put sunscreen at home, but I always carry it with me just in case when I need it. Next, I have my perfume. This is from Garcia. I love this smell so much. I don't know how to explain, but I think this is my favorite of all time. I just have it just in case I forget to put my perfume on. I have it in the bigger size and travel size, and I usually carry travel size with me. But next is my lip balm. It's Summer Fridays lip balm, and this is in hot cocoa. I just love the smell of this. It just smell like cocoa. If you are looking for lip balm, I highly recommend this. Next is my pen and pencil. I have these 2-in-1 pen and pencils from Japan and I love it. And look at how cute it is. I am obsessed. And next is my inhaler. If you watch my other video, you will notice that I always carry inhaler in the different brands and stuff, but I always need to have the inhaler. I don't know if you heard about this, but it's really amazing. And when you feel like headache or dizzy or something, this will help. Next, I have my brush on. This from Merit. And I just love this color so much. It's just so like purple pink. It's applied very well with my face. Last but not least, I have my hair scrunchie. And the last one is charlotte tilbury powder. I usually have it for touch up. This is how it looks inside. It has one compartment with 2 pockets. I really like that there is a zipper pocket, just if you needed to put something very safely. That is what in my bag. I hope you guys enjoy and find this video helpful. And if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment down below. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!